tell you guys, I got this in C mode right now, as you can see, and it still just pulls like it ain't no thing. I will tell you this, let's drink some gas down. This does not get good gas mileage. But see, I run it in A mode almost all the time, because I like having that power available. Anyway, this road here, this is Upper North Park. This is, I think this is North Ridge Road. Usually this is where I like to take my dog, Max. And what I'll do is, this stretch of road is 2.5 miles, but you can make a 5-mile loop if you come down the road and then you go back on the trail. Or you can come down on the trail and go back on the road. So that way there, it gives him like a mix of being on the trail. There's an observation tower. It gives him a mix of being on a trail and it gives him a break from the trail too. There's only a handful of people that come up here because this isn't where the people get all their attention like they do down below around the North Park Lake. You know, people like getting their attention down there, you know. That's what they like. Up here, there's, as you see, there's almost nobody. Just that one guy there. You know, because this is a little tougher of a walk. You know, it's a little... I don't think there's any water fountains here. Yeah, I think there's just one. And I'm not even sure if that works. That may not work anymore. A lot of the groves up here aren't taken care of. They just let the groves go and they just, you know, the groves are shot. And then there's a lot of shade here too. You know, people can't get their tan. So you get people up here that just want to, they don't want to be around a lot of people. Now the trails here, the trail up here could be a little rugged. I hope they don't have this closed. They might have this closed down here. Every once in a while they'll close it. You know, then it's just too bad. And I got to turn around. So it's a pretty nice day today, guys. I figured I'd make you guys a video. And this road here is definitely not for skateboarders, that's for sure, man. It's not very smooth. My dog loves this. He loves coming up here. Part of Maine I want to move to, man. That's what it's like. This is just what it's like up there. Nothing. You know, it's just all country. If I can get my loan, I'm going to move up there, man, ASAP. I'm giving my job up here. I'm giving everything up here. I'm going to go up there with no job. You know, what we could do is we'll sell our house here and we'll just live off the money from our house until we find jobs up there. The house I want to get right now is in Dexter, Maine. It's a little wee town. Dexter's a little town of about 3,000 people. And it's close to the bay, you know. I like the smell of the salt air, you know. So it's I think it's like 1 hour or 45 minutes close to the bay. See, that's what they're doing. They're going on a trail. There's trails on both sides of this. The trail on that side, on the right side, I've never tried it because most of the mountain bikers like to do that. The one on the left side here, it's not as rugged as that trail over there off to the right. I mean, it's still pretty rugged. And there is parts of it that are tough. There is parts of it that are pretty tough. But the one off to the right here, it loops around in the woods down there. I have to stop talking with my Pittsburgh slang. Yeah, there is parts of that are pretty tough down there. And it's a shame, man, about living around here. It really is. You have to drive with one eye on your rearview mirror and one eye on the road. It really is a goddamn shame. It is a real shame what's happening around here with these people. A lot of very, very impatient people around here, and I mean they don't care about your life whatsoever. They don't care what they cause. That's how bad it is here, guys. I'm not exaggerating. These people around here, man, they're horrible. People in Western Pennsylvania are horrible. Absolutely horrible people. All right, guys, I'm going to put this in neutral. We're going to turn this off.